Wait. This is your last chance, so let me help you.
Okay.
The answer is a type of contract. Business or investing model. Okay,
Yes.
you just need to guess the types of contract name. Tested business method, so it's not high risk business. Number 2, you don't need any experiences because you will rent a famous brand experiences and they share secrets and teach you all necessary knowledge, so you don't need any experience. Your business partner support you in marketing and sales, and finally they will ask you to share a percent of salary or your income. Um, just just remember food industry brands. Of course, it have usage in other business types, but in food industry, it's more common.
Yes. Okay. Franchise.
What?
Franchise.
Franchise. Yes. Congratulations.
Thank you. Where's my gift? Give my gift. Thank you.
Wait. Take a photo. Take a
Okay,
photo.
let's take a photo.
Today we are going to talk about franchise contracts. And stay with me. When we talk about investing, some friends think we are going to put our money somewhere and waiting up to get our profit. Fortunately, there are many different ways to invest. Even you can invest with others' money and without any experiences. Let me explain in a simple way. Franchise is a business model that helps brands, helps companies in marketing and sales. On the other hand, this is a way to support people who want to establish a self-employed business. So we can say franchise is a marketing solution to brands and investment method to people and entrepreneurs. In this formula, brands called franchisor and entrepreneurs called franchisee. This is an important season for businessman activity, so I decided to prepare 2 videos about franchise. Today we'll talk about franchise important documents, and in the next video we will talk about new generation of franchise. So today we will have a review on one of the famous international franchise brands and 2 important documents. Let's get started. As I told you, we have 2 documents in franchise. The first one, franchise disclosure document. The franchise disclosure document, or FDD, is a legal document that the Federal Trade Commission (FTC) requires franchisors to provide to prospective franchisee before selling a franchise. It means all the necessary data that the franchisee, I mean the person who asked the franchise, needs to review before talking about the main agreement. So, FDD is a background and resume from franchisor, and second document is the main agreement. There is a wide range of brands, and I decided to bring you KFC brand to have a short review of essential elements of FDD and franchise agreement. So here we have FDD titles: identity information, experiences, litigation, license, financing, priority, and so on. So FDD gives you a basic data about your business partner, or better say, franchisor. Now let's see what is agreement section. Pre-negotiation. In this section we have a short review of the franchisor. We can say it's an introduction section. After this part, articles comes up. Article 1. Number 1. Definition. For example, the meaning of affiliate. Number 2. Status of franchise agreements. Status means legal conditions, obligation in business law. Look here, enforceable conditions. Number 3. Negotiations. This section is our business body. Do you need financial support or any special services? Now it's time to bargain. Don't forget that in the franchise business model, you can ask franchise agreement draft and review all clauses before doing anything. Article IV. Franchisee Cooperation. Now it's time to meet franchisor trust. They will ask you for the necessary documents, for example, financial background, and you should give them access permission. Article V. Franchisee representation and warranties. The franchisor asks you for some document as a warranty. In future lesson, we will talk about the types of warranty. A franchisor is a person who defines standards and asks you to make sure that never change a standard. So, this section defines franchisor management power and franchisee limitation. Next section, forbearance. This is the termination clause. So, here talk about the termination process and conditions. Confidentiality. The confidential information shall not, without the prior written consent of the franchisor, be disclosed to any person or entity other than franchisees, representatives, and franchisee. So, here they will remind their conditions. Next one, release. In this clause, the franchisor asks the franchisee to clear all previously related accounts. I mean making decisions about all previous assignment and getting free and ready to open this new business. This section is about the franchisee's experiences and background, and they want to make sure there are not any legal problems from previous activities. And last part, general provisions, such as example, acceptable notices, how should be. So define communications ways and borders. As a reminder, the business type and terms could be different, and that is why we don't focus on these contract details. I just want to share with you one of the franchise agreements framework, and a final section in a contract or agreement is a signature. Okay, it's enough for today. I must go because I'm going to prepare second video of this title, franchise. Yes, we're going to continue this topic. So take care of yourself and waiting for second part. See you soon.